In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use bench substitutions in FIFA World Cup Fantasy. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and head over to the official FIFA website at fifa.com. Once you're on the home page, locate the fantasy gaming section at the top of the screen and click on it. Now locate the option My Team, click on that. This is where you will be able to view your starting lineup, bench players, transfers, captain selections, and all other team management options. Bench substitutions allow you to replace players in your starting lineup with players from your bench during a match day. This can be extremely useful if one of your starters does not perform well or scores fewer points than expected. To make a substitution, go to your team screen and review the players who have already played. If you are not satisfied with the player's score, click on that player and choose the substitution option. Then select the player from your bench who has not yet played in the current match day. Once you confirm the substitution, the bench player will move into a starting lineup and will be eligible to score points for your team when their match takes place. Keep in mind that substitutions must be made before the bench player's match kicks off. After a player's game has started, they can no longer be brought into your lineup for that match day. This makes timing very important when managing your fantasy team. So this is how you can use bench substitutions in FIFA World Cup Fantasy. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.